Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working. This phone should actually support 15 watts wired, which is not actually that fast, but it's named as fast charging. So at first you need to make sure that your charger isn't bought on AliExpress, because most of them, like these cheaper ones, or of course on Timo, these cheaper ones, or this especially very cheap ones, these are certified, I need to emphasize it's certified, but they are not. These want to just be named as certified, but they are not certified by anything, and these probably just aren't even legal. So you need to make sure that you don't have any type of charges like that, because it is just dangerous. So this is the first thing to check. The second thing to check is that if you have a charger that supports that has this chip that Samsung has, because to charge your Samsung phone faster you need to have a charger that has this special chip built in, and will fast it using 15 watts. Okay, sorry, it's my AccuBattery application. Doesn't matter. Here my phone works without any problems. So apart from that, if it still doesn't want to work, you need to perform such thing. At first you need to check the cable. If you see that your cable is damaged or your charger is damaged, you need to replace it for a new one. If it doesn't even work right now, it may be because of heat generated while charging, and the heat may generate because of your charging port dirt. Take a look inside here. You can flash your flashlight inside and check if you have some dirt inside. I do, but mine work fine. My phone works fine, so it doesn't even matter. But you need to clean your charging port with a non-metallic tool. Remember that, because you may damage your port. So that should be actually it. We don't have many more fixes actually to perform. One thing that you can actually do in addition is that you can test your charger and your cable with another outlet. And remember, charging your phone using your laptop is never a good idea when you want to have it quick. That's it. Bye.